Shortmake AI is the newest AI software that's just hit the market. And today, I'm going to break down the 7 most crucial things you need to know about it. If you're curious about this powerful tool and whether it's worth your time, stay tuned until the end. There's a lot to cover that could transform how you approach AI-driven solutions in your business. You can also try this software completely free from the first link in the description below. Right off the bat, Shortmake AI has a few game-changing features that make it stand out. First, it's designed to simplify the entire content creation process. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or creator, Shortmake AI takes your input and converts it into high-quality content with minimal effort. You simply input a few parameters and the AI does the rest. For anyone struggling with writer's block or creating content at scale, this tool is a serious time saver. What makes Shortmake particularly intriguing is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a background in AI to leverage its capabilities. The interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, making it accessible for people just starting with AI-powered tools. You won't get lost in a sea of complicated options. Everything is straightforward, which makes it perfect for those looking for quick and effective results. Another standout feature is the AI's ability to adapt to your unique style. Whether you're writing a blog post, crafting marketing copy, or generating social media content, Shortmake AI is designed to match your tone and style, which adds a level of personalization that many other tools lack. It's not just about generating content. It's about generating content that resonates with your audience, and that's where Shortmake excels. But one thing to keep in mind is that, like all AI software, the output requires a bit of human touch to make it perfect. Shortmake AI does a great job of getting you 80% of the way there, but you may still want to tweak certain sections, especially when it comes to more nuanced or complex content. That said, for anyone looking to save hours of work, Shortmake does an incredible job of delivering a solid foundation to build upon. Now, let's talk about scalability. One of the reasons this software has quickly become a go-to tool for digital marketers and businesses is because it's scalable. Whether you're a solo creator or managing a team of writers, Shortmake AI can handle large volumes of content generation without skipping a beat. This makes it ideal for businesses looking to streamline their content production process and create content at scale. Another feature worth mentioning is Shortmake's ability to integrate with other tools. As digital marketers, we know how important it is to have software that works well with your existing stack. Shortmake AI doesn't disappoint in this regard. It integrates with major platforms, meaning you can seamlessly incorporate it into your workflow without missing a beat. Lastly, the price point. Shortmake AI is accessible to a wide range of users, from freelancers to larger companies. The best part? You can try it completely free from the link below, so you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business. For the value it provides, this software is a no-brainer, especially considering its ability to drastically cut down on content creation time while still delivering quality. So, to wrap things up, Shortmake AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to boost productivity and improve content creation. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or creator, this software can help you level up your content game in a fraction of the time. Don't forget, you can try it for free from the link below, and I highly recommend you do if you want to see the power of this tool firsthand. If you want to check out other AI tools I recommend, make sure to head to the description, where I've linked some of the top AI software I've tested after trying thousands of them. These tools have been handpicked based on their value and functionality, so don't miss out.